Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Yesy. Welcome. So today's video is going to be vlog style, follow me around, get ready with me. I am gonna go get my hair done for my birthday weekend. This weekend I am going to New Orleans. I am super excited to celebrate my birthday and to celebrate one of my other friends' birthdays. So I wanted to get my hair done. I need to get rid of this rogue patch that I got going on. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me through the entire process, and you guys are gonna see Louis. You guys have seen him in my other video that I did, like a get ready with me. He's a hairstylist, so yeah, he's gonna be tackling on the challenge of my hair. So yeah, I'm currently at Starbucks waiting for my order. I placed an order on the app, hashtag not sponsored. And Miami is super cold. Like, I don't know, I woke up, I just slapped on a cardigan and a tank top and it's like freezing. It's like 55 degrees outside. I don't understand what's going on. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the salon. All right guys, we are about to start the hair process. Louis is here. He is ready to transform this disaster I got going right here. Hopefully it's good. He wants to take me flat and blonde, but I'm not about that Kim Kardashian life. So I'm trusting him. Let's see what we do.
It's been 3 years since I first caught your eye, but that's in the past. Since you left me last, I just can't recall your face. I don't want to replace my memories of you. Got so sick of being used, and I just want to do bad things with you, bad things with you. I don't need no ties here between my thighs. You can hear my cries from all your silly lies. I only wanna do bad things with you, do bad things with you. I wanna make you think that I'm here to stay, just a love from you.
Now we're gonna curl because you know you're gonna need those waves.
How strange, soon as the seasons change. Thought you were just a phase, now you become my friend. No, I don't need your love, fuck me then get lost. I got way more than.
Yes, I love it. Yes, this is the lightest I've ever been. Yes, I love it. I love it. Now let's set up on the montage. Alright guys, this is my birthday transformation hair. I love it so much. Louis, thank you so much for my hair. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. I'm sorry for the cars. We're outside. And turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video. See you in my next video. Bye guys.